Yes, today this is a very bleaky day indeed, as you can see. The sky is dark and gloomy and the rain has fallen like several times already. So I am here taking off this bus tire on a 2004 Toyota Coaster bus, changing the brake pads because of course the brake pads on it was done. And so this is the condition. It reached a point where it was actually rubbing metal to metal on the disc router. This is what it looks like. Now, when you allow your brake pad to reach to this point, trust me, it can cause some serious damages to your disc router as well as a great deal of expense. Yeah, pretty much. So these came off the right side, the driver's side. Driving this morning, I realized that iron to iron was rubbing on. It was giving me the right braking that I should have been getting. So right away, I know that something was wrong. I knew that over years of driving and experience. I know that the brake pads were done. Right, so, and here comes the rain again. I'm going to try and see if I can quickly take this wheel off and get to the other set of brake pads on the left side. As if it's pointless changing the right side and not the left side. So these are a set of the new brake pads that will be going onto the left side of the bus right here and so forth. I've jacked up my bus, my hydraulic jack, and doing this job I really don't have a lot of tools on hand. I have like the lug tool that is used to pull off the lugs and the jack. Well, the tools isn't really much, so no, what do? I'm in the middle of the country and I'm not readily accessible to tools. Anyway, I managed to get a 17 and a 12, and then the rest is just pure I guess brain power. So yeah, so I'm going to take this junkie off and get right into it. I'll give you the next update when I'm finished screwing this lug off. Screw them off. Now it's really important having a vehicle, having like a piece of board, right? That's like a half of 2x4. I use as a extension piece for the jack, because when the jack is on the ground, it doesn't give me enough lift for the tires to be off the ground. You know what I'm saying? So I walked around this whole place. And of course I did lucky to find a piece, and of course I just grabbed it, and now it's helping me do the job. And now it will be living in this bus because it's a good thing to have extra height. So yeah, taking the lugs off, putting them aside. Now these lugs come up clockwise and tightens back anti-clockwise. I don't have any grease, I don't have any of that jazz in the process of helping me swear. But in Jamaica, you gotta use what you gotta use, bub. Tight. Just use my foot to punch. It's kind of awkward. I wasn't holding the phone in my hand. Yay! Okay, all 5 lugs. Take off this. It's a hubcap, and here we are, the wheel. We're gonna get the wheel off. To get the wheel off, there we go. But let's kind of just push this under here just in case. You don't want the bus to be falling down on you, or falling on anything. So the hydraulic drop gives you, the bus will come down on the tires somewhat and aid in. Okay, so now we're here. We're gonna pull this, the caliper assembly. These two nuts with a pull, and then we're going to bring this back ways, and we're gonna get to these suckers here. Now I'm gonna need a 12 for this, and I'm gonna have to kind of put this phone on. Phone down a bit. Do this. One of the phone holders. You got the drift. I'm gonna have to pull this 17. Of course, I don't have a hammer, so I'm gonna be using this. If it is that you tap in one direction, it's not. Try the other way. Okay, so for this side, it unlocks. The nut pulls clockwise. Pull that. Take out this. Take this nut out. Top of a caliper assembly, and check this thing for smoothness. Well, the brake hasn't gotten down too far in here, so that's some form of relief. Anyway, we pull this nut, get it out of the way. Then you gotta pull this. In order to pull this, you need a 12. So let's get the 12. Joel's mechanic screw. So we have a 12. You can see that, right? I'm gonna pull this as well. Of course, we're gonna have to tap it. Tap it to get there. Yeah. Right. Let me just place this here for a little bit. Fall. And this goes anti-clockwise to pull this side. So clockwise to pull the 17, and anti-clockwise to pull the 12. So here we go. You know, this thing needs to service, by the way. So none of this stuff. Right, now that we've pulled this, we want to get this thing off like this. Now usually you're supposed to unmount this hose, but hold on, we don't want to pressure this brake hose line, so let me see if I can pull this. Nut. Yeah, it's pulling. Ideally, you don't want to. Whew.